Hey guys, it's your boy CH Shabalala, but you can call me Lord Todd. If you like and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Welcome back to another amazing literature video, you guys. You guys don't know how much I missed y'all. Guess who has a new camera? It's not a camera, it's a phone. That's why things are so clear. You know, my content has been clear most of the time, but yeah, let me not waste time.
I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good. So, it's officially my birthday. As you guys can see, that my eyes are a bit red and whatsoever. I'm not fully okay. I guess I'll be okay. I know it's my birthday, I'm supposed to be excited and all of that, but yeah, I think things turned out to be this way this morning. I'm officially 20 years, and it's 20 years of grace. Now currently at Prime View, and as I'm at Prime View, I'm about to have breakfast, and let's see what the day has for us, because I'm not gonna be at this location the whole day. I have many more locations to go, so you better stay tuned for this day. Alright.
I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you.
So guys, I'm currently at the bathroom. I hope you guys can hear me. And yeah, we've just arrived at Prime View. And yeah, should I show you guys my OOTD? And this is my outfit for the day, you know. My shoes. Yeah, and those are my shoes. This is a Red Bad t-shirt, my jean from Mr. Price, and my Nike shoes. And that's about it. And a 20-year-old standing in front of you. But yeah guys, let me go. So guys, we have already ordered our meals. My milkshake has arrived and I'm waiting for the meal, but so long I'm enjoying the view and everything that it has.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you and us forever.
So guys, the food has finally arrived and I ordered some pasta and salad and a milkshake. Cheers. And my mom got a burger and chips, and she also got a Pepsi, but she doesn't drink fizzy drinks. And yeah, okay guys, let me eat my food. So hey guys again, so I ordered the first meal, which was the pasta, and only to find out that the pasta slash lasagna is not in a good state. You know, the chicken wasn't fresh. I tasted it from the beginning and I was like, this doesn't taste good. And then because it has cheese, my mom doesn't eat cheese, so she had to only taste the chicken because I said it doesn't taste good. And then when she tasted the chicken, she was like, this chicken is not fresh. And yeah, so they took back the chicken and I got a new meal, a new burger. Yeah, it's not that I'm eating too much or eating 2 meals or whatsoever, or I'm wasteful. It's just that the lasagna wasn't fresh, you know. So yeah guys, let me eat my burger and my cheesy burger. Look at the sauce. I hope it tastes good. Not like the lasagna, you know. I hope it tastes good. But yeah, cheers.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say.
So guys, I am finally 20 and yeah, my childhood is over. Let me jump around for the last time, you know. My pants. It's okay. And I'm still going to the mall. It's okay. It's okay, guys. I'm gonna be fine. Let's just go home. Let's go to the mall, wherever. Hey guys, so I am currently on my way to Mall of Africa. I'm going to Stekeniko and you will see what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the video and the rest of the day. Just stay tuned. See you when I see you again. Look at how the sun is kissing me. The sun is kissing my skin. My mom is the one that's making noise.
The sun.
Yeah. And
how making noise mean? Making noise. How does that sound?
This is the second time my mom is saying this.
How does
on
it sound?
A video.
How does it sound when you say mama is making noise?
If you're making a noise, you're making a noise.
No. I always tell you, islungu siyatelela. Nina ma vloggers. Islungu. Don't talk English with us. Don't talk to us
How
in
do
English.
I say it in a
I'm
proper
not making
way?
noise. It's my mom that's making that sound. I'm not making noise.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, I didn't know. But yeah, guys, see you.
What are you gonna say in isiZulu? Mbangumsindo. Mama mbangumsindo.
I don't know. See you guys when I see you. The sun is burning me, but my skin looks good. Bye. So guys, my mom is dropping me off here at the mall, and she's continuing with her day, and I'm also continuing with my day. So yeah, let's go guys. Bye mom.
Bye, darling.
Yeah. So guys, I was at Starbucks and my drink is almost done. I ordered a caramel frappuccino. I'm feeling full right now, but hey guys, also feeling exhausted, but it's okay. I'll see you guys whenever I see you again. And yeah.
I wanted that act right in Colorado that night. I brought trees to blow through, but it's just me and no you. Stayed up till my phone died. Smoking big, rolling. Smoking good, rolling solo. 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 Smoking good, rolling solo. 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 Gotta tell you how much I vibe with you. I wanted that act right in Colorado that night. I brought trees to blow through, but it's just.
So guys, I'm about to go watch the movie right now. The lighting is so bad. Let me go. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm in a cinema alone. Oh my god, I'm totally alone. Like 1 minute. Look. Okay guys, I'll see you guys whenever I see you again. Bye. The movie is about to start. Oh my god.
What the hell?
No one to take me pictures or anything. It's literally 20 years of grace. Let's go guys.
This is serious. I need you to stay with Kiara until I get back.
Are you saying that your security detail has been called on to do babysitting?
But we should really discuss this because I don't really.
This is my favorite sister song. Brother, just like you. So guys, the movie is finally over and I'm about to go home. So guys, the movie is finally over and yeah, I'm about to go home. Had a lovely day and watched The Lion King and it was amazing. Loved it so much. And yeah guys,
My car be reeking the gas, yeah. Pissed on my lap, not the dashboard. Bitch, you don't get what you asked for. You only get what you paid for. I pay less but made more. Walked on my feet till they was sore. She heard me trap, Keisha Keo. Walked out that door, came in with more. I got that gas, that gas.
so guys, I am currently at Wimpy And yeah, the movie is finally done. I'm out of Stekenicor and time is up, and I'm literally about to go home right now. You know, my gift from Wimpy is here. Thank you so much to Wimpy, to Stekenicor, for making my day so special. Because if you guys didn't know, I'm telling you right now that so all of the things that I did, not all of the things, but I went to Stekenicor to watch the movie for free. I watched Lion King, Mufasa, and I got a cake and an ice cream from Wimpy, and it was absolutely free. So I'm so excited, you know, at the service that I got from Wimpy and the Wimpy staff and the Wimpy brand, and Stekenicor and the Stekenicor staff. Yeah, heads up, they made my day special. So I recommend this restaurant. I recommend Wimpy, I recommend Stekenicor, and yeah, you can definitely, this video is not sponsored, but you can definitely join the membership at Stekenicor to get, you know, half the price of a movie every Tuesday. It's absolutely amazing, and there's combos and whatsoever. Just try this out and you won't regret it, trust me. So yeah guys, I'm so happy that I'm cutting my hair soon and I won't have this hair. They definitely need mirrors. Oh my god, what's this? Or chocolate from the cake. Oh my god, it looks awful. They definitely need mirrors and these escalators.
You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and feel like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, baby. Nah, I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and feel like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You can be, and I'll be there.